Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick, retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you have any questions about today's coach or any other coach, please give me a call at Guaranty RV. My phone number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this Newmar Bay Star Sport 3008. It's a 19. It's fall here in Junction City, Oregon. And we're making some great deals on our 19s. We have to make room for those 2020s coming in. Let's go inside and take a look around. Going to start here in the bedroom. One thing you'll see right away is this window in the back. Makes not a natural light. Got windows on both sides of the bed so you can get some airflow at night. Got your emergency escape window on this side and TV. Closet space here. Lots of drawers underneath. Moving out from the bedroom. Big hanging closet here. Pantry here, or whatever else you decide to put in there. Cross over here, we've got the bathroom. Rounded shower, gives you lots of elbow room, nice vanity. Nice appointed bathroom. Cross over here, we've got our dinette. This dinette does drop down to make a bed for a short person or a child. Across over here, we've got our refrigerator with the ice maker. We've got two ice makers. You got the New Wave ice maker and you got the old-fashioned ice makers. We've got an oven in this coach, microwave up above, hooded with a vent, solid surface countertops, stainless steel sinks, very deep, lots of storage up above. Across we've got our bed right here. This bed is a fold-out queen-size bed, so if you take guests with you. As we move up into the cockpit, auto leveling, cruise control, heated mirrors, electric mirrors. You got a desk over here for the co-pilot, TV up front. A well-appointed coach. Newmar quality, 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor. Great coach, folks. You can't go wrong with Newmar. I believe it's the #1 coach on the market today. Let's go outside. Okay, I love this in the morning when it's frosty like this because you can see the frame, the ribs on this coach. 16-inch centers, hung wall, just like a house. Okay, electric awning, side cameras, Triton V10 motor, storage below. There's your big water tank. Got storage, got lights in every compartment. Full body paint, more storage here. Going to have an awning 4000 generator, gas generator here. Runs on your tank, off your tank. When you get to a quarter of a tank, it won't run anymore. That way you don't get stranded anywhere. More storage here, goes all the way across up above. Slide outs. When this comes in, it fits flush. So these gaskets don't see the sun unless your slide is out. They last longer. Do a great job. Rain isn't being pushed against the rubber gasket, it flows over the top. Hooked up already, got your receiver down there all wired up. Backup camera, ladder on the back. You can see these are heavy duty slides. Newmar's the first company to put a slide in the motorhome. They are tough. You got your electrical hookups underneath here, frameless windows. Got all your bays here. More storage, water hook up there. Bays are always on this side, folks. You got you clean out all that. Side camera. I know there's more questions you have on this coach or any other coach that you might have questions about. Give the coach a call. Call me directly. Call the store. Ask for the coach, the teacher. That's me. Have a great day. Thanks for spending some time with me.